guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Matlab Explorer. Today we are going to give a session on uh, how to read and understand the research paper. Well, we are going to show you the actual research paper and let you know the how to understand the content of the paper. So as a researcher, what should be the ideal approach while doing a literature survey or literature review? So this is the format of the paper. Here you can see this is the title of the paper, the author's name, and the department, college, university name. So this is the title section, which includes the title of the paper, the name, department, affiliation, and this is the abstract. So the abstract, it gives you the idea about the layout of the paper. So what is actually present inside the paper. So the title includes the problem statement, the methodology, and the results. So here under the abstract, you have to include the keywords for your paper. Because you can use these short forms in the further sections rather than writing this complete words line. You can simply write in short. So you can mention here in in this keyword section. So further here is the starting, the introduction. So in introduction you can include the introduction of your research area. So then further here the general problem formulation of your research area. So like this area is economic load dispatch. So you will give some introduction here about the area, and here you can write about the problem formulation. So which may include the mathematical equations like this one. You can define your objective function. So here objective function is to minimize the fuel cost. So this is the mathematical presentation of the model, which is going to be optimized, means to minimize the cost, fuel cost of the of the generator. So these are the constraints, means in any mathematical model either it can be a constraint problem or unconstrained problem. So this is the constraint problem. You have to satisfy these constraint problems, which shows Pi is equal to Pd plus Pl, and here Pi it is the minimum and the maximum range. So you have to satisfy these constraints while solving this objective mathematical equations. So these are some constants inside any mathematical model. So this is one more equation. So like this is the problem formulation presentation in this section. So this is the constraints which you have defined here. So it includes the general theory and the general detail of those constraints. So here you can see the constraints. So this is all a part of your mathematical problem formulation. So next is after defining your problem formulation, next is methodology, techniques, suggested method. So in this case here it is particle swarm optimization. This is artificial intelligence techniques. So here you can again you can include some theory, and then you can define your mathematical method in terms of equations. These are the equations of suggested technique particle swarm optimization. So after defining the mathematical equations, you can include the flow chart. flowchart of your suggested technique. So here you can write like this your flowchart step by step. So then after defining your methodology, here next is test result, test system, result and discussion. Test system means what is the practical system you can include here, and result and discussion. So you can mention about the practical system on which you are going to test your suggested technique, and the system must be practical. So here these are the this is the data of your system, and these are the results. So system can be 3 unit. Then this is the comparison of other methods. This is the suggested method, particle swarm optimization, and these are the work of other authors, other techniques, lambda iteration method, cuckoo search, multiverse. So here you can see the cost. Here this is the cost. This is less as compared to these 3 techniques. So here the criteria is to minimize the cost of the generators. So this is how against this low demand. So this is how you present your results. You apply your technique on the problem statement and you calculate your results, and then you compare your results with the work of other authors with other techniques, and you show that yes, your technique is better. Similarly, you test your problem and apply the method, suggested method on a second system. Means you will test your technique on multiple systems and compare your results with the result of other authors and prove that yes, your technique is better in terms of cost, time, memory, or any other criteria. So in this you can conclude here. You share your conclusion. So like by proposing swarm optimization technique, fuel cost is less than multiverse optimization technique. So here you will conclude that yes, your suggested technique is better as compared to other techniques. So this is the future scope. You can further suggest what further can be done on this problem or on your suggested technique. These are references. So references must be in the format of the journal or the conferences. So this is how you read paper or you write paper. So I hope you like this session, and I request you must watch the previous videos to get to know about the research, and you will better understand about the research paper research formulations. And if you have not subscribed yet our channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share, and if you have any doubt, kindly write in comment section, and if you want to know about any topic, you can write in comment section. And I hope you like the session, and it will be useful for the new researchers who are new to to understand to write papers. And thanks for watching. Thank you.